back, man. Not a single bite.
Brandon, what are we doing, man?
Well, I'm out here fishing, Scotty. I was on my way to work today, and we were on the phone, and you told me that there was this wicked catch up here, so I've been throwing the line in, but not getting much luck.
There's ice on the water, dude. On today's episode, we got no fish for you, but we got a turnkey bungalow that is steps from Bass Lake.
Yeah, that sounds much better, because I'm freezing. Let's go check it out. All right, Scotty, thanks for clearing that up for me. It's a little cold out here, and the fish, obviously, we're not biting today, but we do have a true catch. Why don't you tell me about this house we got here?
We got a rare gem for them today, Brandon. I gotta tell you, we've got a ranch bungalow, a really unique layout that I know you're gonna love. It's situated perfectly on a 100 by 150 foot treed lot. In addition to that, the finishes are on point. Everything's been updated in the last number of years. Roof, windows, furnace, and of course, all the cosmetics of the home. It's a true turnkey package.
It really is. The location is even better. We're clearly just steps away from Bass Lake here, where in the summertime, the fish will be biting. We got Bass Lake Provincial Park here as well. And a little bit further from here, just about 10 minutes drive, you've got Horseshoe for the summer and wintertime activities, as well as Orillia for all of those amenities and big box store shopping and dining. Minutes to the highway as well to get you into Barrie or up into cottage country. Now I am getting a little bit cold here, so why don't we head inside and check this place out. Follow us.
Today we've got a unique floor plan for you that I know you're gonna love. From the moment you walk through the front door, you've got a large foyer area that doubles as a mudroom, so it's extremely functional. Regardless if it's kids, friends coming in, there's lots of room to greet your guests. In addition to that, you walk in and the floor plan is wide open as you go into this kitchen. You got a beautiful coffee bar with a ton of built-in storage and pots and pans drawers. And then you go into the entertaining section. You've got the large center island that's movable depending on how you like it situated. A tremendous amount of counter space. You got the white classic shaker cabinetry, stainless steel appliances, and then a gorgeous view overlooking your backyard that we're gonna check out after. Just an ideal setup in here, and it is wide open into the living room. Check this out.
Yeah, Scott wasn't kidding. This open floor plan continues and the finish level flows right through this space. Right off the kitchen, you've got room for the large dining table, plenty of room for the guests and family, but then this living space here is a perfect spot to finish off the day with this gorgeous picture window. Whether you're taking in those sunny days in the summertime or the snow in the wintertime, you don't have to worry about being cold on those winter days because you got a gas fireplace right here. Now, the best part about this floor plan has to be the separation of the bedrooms. We've got 2 bedrooms with a 4-piece bathroom at this side of the house, perfect for the kids or guests. Just wait to see what Scott has in the primary wing of this house.
Welcome to the primary wing of the house. Now we have to call it a wing because to call it a bedroom is just doing it a disservice. The tremendous amount of space and natural light in this end of the house is gonna blow your mind. Now we've got room for an office. You've got a separate area for a living room, of course the bedroom, and then you've got the spectacular ensuite. Double sinks, a walk-in shower, just an ideal setup. But what really grabs me over here is your own separate walkout to the backyard patio and of course your hot tub. How convenient is that? Hey, fancy meeting you here. How convenient is this? Not 1, but 2 entrances out to this beautiful stone patio. So whether you're going from the bedroom out to the tub,
or you're looking to man the grill and cook up a feast, you're gonna love this stone patio with morning to night sun exposure.
But guess what? That's only a portion of the story to this backyard. Follow us. Now tell me the kids and pets aren't gonna love a space like this. 100 feet wide, 150 feet deep. You don't find lots like this very often. Opens you up completely if you wanna add a garage, a separate shop, storage for the ATVs, the snowmobiles, the boats. We've got you covered here. And can't you just smell that summertime bonfire out here, Bren?
Yeah, no kidding, Scotty. This is the full package. Now we're the Knowles Woolsey team. We know Simcoe County, and for more information on this listing and others, check out our website.